What's the best Premiere Pro collaborative editing workflow? Imagine working on a video project with a team where everyone's changes appear instantly, and no one overwrites each other's work. That's the goal of a smooth, collaborative editing workflow in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you are in the same room or across the globe, having a clear plan makes editing faster and less stressful. First, you need to pick the right method for your team size and project needs. For small teams or simple projects, sharing project files directly might work. You save your project, send it to your teammate, and they open it on their computer. But remember, only one person can work at a time, and media files need to be accessible to everyone. For larger teams or remote work, Adobe offers a feature called Team Projects. This is a cloud-based system where multiple editors can work on the same project at once. Changes sync automatically, so everyone stays updated. You can lock sequences to prevent conflicts, and all media is stored in a shared cloud location. This setup is great for projects with several editors or when working from different locations. If your project is very big or complex, consider using Productions. This allows you to split your work into smaller projects, each handled by different team members. For example, one person might edit the opening scene, while another works on the closing credits. All these smaller projects are linked under one master production, keeping everything organized. This method is common in television or film productions. Getting started means choosing the right collaboration method. For most YouTube creators and small teams, team projects strike a good balance. Organize your media with clear naming and folder structures so everyone can find what they need easily. Assign roles, like one person handling audio, another working on visuals, and someone reviewing. Use Premiere Pro's built-in tools to stay in sync. The project manager helps gather all files needed for sharing. Cloud storage services like Adobe Creative Cloud make sharing projects and media simple. When giving feedback, use markers and comments directly on the timeline or connect with from IO4 timestamp notes. This makes it easy to track changes and revisions. When working on the timeline with others, communicate often. Lock sequences when editing to avoid conflicts. Save and sync your work regularly so everyone has the latest version. For big edits, break the timeline into sections and assign each to different editors. This speeds up the process and keeps things organized. Track progress with version history in team projects or productions. If needed, revert to earlier versions. For client reviews, export a preview and share it through from IO or similar platforms. Comments from clients can be imported back into Premiere Pro as markers, making revisions straightforward. Keep media organized and accessible to everyone. Use cloud storage to prevent version issues. Communicate clearly about who is working on what. Take advantage of custom workspaces to speed up editing. And always back up your project and media files regularly. The main challenges in collaborative editing are managing versions, media, and communication. Using cloud-based tools like team projects or productions helps solve these problems. For remote teams, a good internet connection and tools like Frame.io make feedback easier. The best workflow depends on your team size, project complexity, and how you like to work. Start with a plan, pick the right tools, and keep communication open. With these steps, you'll master timeline editing as a team and create great videos with less hassle.